Hello everyone, I am Rabia Amjad. I am gonna tell you that my gold prediction has been verified. As you can see, exact level has been hit and gold hit exact that level and exactly go upside a little bit, which I told you that it will go 1660, and if it's resist at 1660, it will go more upside and it will go till 1675. Exactly that level hit today. You can see that high is 1674, which I already told you yesterday. And as I said, 1660 is very much important level of resistance. So again 1660 right now is moving round about 1670, and again 1640 is very much downside first support level, because if it resists we will see the buying in the gold, and right now it's 1665 is very much important upside level. Resist at that level we will see very soon 1675 high, which we already saw, and 1674 is right now high of the gold, and if it resist and persist at 1675 it will go more upside, and the rate we can see today till 1690. Whereas if it persists at 1670 and it come down from the level of 1670, we can see the first support level would be like 1650 or 1649, and then second support level would be 1640, which is again very much important level, because if it breaks 1640 level then we can see the third support level and we can see again gold in selling trend. Right now you can see the trades of mine and the profit I gain in these trades, because I already predicted about the gold, and as per my analysis and research I earn good profit. But right now it's closing day and Friday, so gold is very much volatile and is so much risky, so beware while you're trading in gold. For more updates and trend level of gold, keep watching and subscribing this channel. Thank you.